The New Zealand versus U.S. dollar moved higher in trading yesterday and trading here today. We extended to a new high going back to, well, let's see, November of 2024. That high also moved closer to a resistance target on the top side. I'll talk about that and also what has happened since then in this video. So let's get started. Looking at this currency pair off the 4-hour chart, we closed on Friday near the 50% retracement. I'm trading on Monday. We moved sharply to the upside, extending up toward the 61.8% retracement and toward this swing area. This swing area is defined by swing lows through here. Then we traded above and below the level through here. Finally fell below with some momentum, came back up to the level here, came back up to the level here, and that was it. It was to the downside from that point forward. We since that time made a new low in the early month part of April. That low took out these lows right through here. But after reaching 0.5483, we started this sharp move to the upside in trading 2 weeks ago. And then last week, we continued that momentum. And this week, we also continued the momentum, retracing from 0.5483 all the way up to 0.60357 in less than a month. In the process, in trading this week, and we moved away from the 50% retracement and moved up toward the 61.8% retracement as well. So not only did we test the old swing level going back here between 0.6031 up to 0.6045, but we also got close in the high price today toward that 61.8% retracement at 0.60357. So I'm not surprised that we're seeing a rotation back to the downside in this currency pair. The question now becomes, what next? And if we take a look at the hourly chart of this currency pair, you can see that the 100-hour moving average is going to be somewhat key, at least in the short term for this pair. It would give the sellers another victory if the 61.8% retracement in the swing area up here was a victory for sellers to stick their nose in the water, or toe in the water, I should say, and lean against that level. The next victory would be to get below the 100-hour moving average at 0.5964. If they can do that and then get below the broken 50%, followed by the 200-hour moving average, and things are looking more and more to the downside for this currency pair. Absent that, absent getting below all these levels right here, and believe me, they need to be broken, especially given this sharp move to the upside, to give the sellers some hope and give the buyers some cause for pause. If they can't get below those levels, then are the sellers winning? The answer is no, they aren't. The buyers are still in control. So first things first, we're going to need to get below the 100-hour moving average of 0.5964. We'll work from there, but that level held in trading on Monday and late on Friday. So we'll see if that level can be broken. My name is Greg Michalowski with this technical look at the New Zealand versus U.S. dollar. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.